What's going on, everybody? This is Rick Schultz with Industrial Metal Solutions. I'm up here today at Wright CNC in Las Vegas. I'm pretty close by. I'm in Phoenix, so I was able to make the jump up here last night and come up to do this 2-day class and see how it goes. We're going to get some interviews hopefully with Chris and with Joseph, and we'll get some video of the tables working. We'll get videos of the class, kind of give you guys a gist of what's going on. Hopefully it gives you a little bit more information and helps you make a better purchase decision.
Hey everybody, I'm Joseph Coleman, otherwise you might see me on Facebook, one of the guys responding, Jack, J-A-C. I'm the sales guy here, handle all the transactions, so this is the face behind the computer. I'm here to do nothing but help out. If you guys have any questions, of course, most of you guys have my number, you can get a hold of me directly. Tech support, questions about your order, where we're at with it. This is my home base where I see everything here. Just kind of keep up on everything for you guys. Just remember, keep hearing a lot of guys, hey, didn't want to call and bug you for this, bug you for that. That's what they pay us for. We're here to help. So we appreciate the support from all of you guys and choosing us as your CNC provider. We thank you again and see you soon.
I'm the instructor here at the Wright CNC Institute, but I'm also the guy that you probably reach out to 9 times out of 10 when it comes to calling tech support. I walk you through a lot of the videos. I'm also the guy who, if you have one of our tables and have been on the customer portal, you've been tired of my voice. I probably voice over every single video that we have available on that website. I walk you through how to use the machine, how to do some really trick stuff with the machine, and how to add upgrades and updates to the machine to better improve your performance. So if you ever need any help, if you ever want to learn how to use a machine, I'm the guy you sort of kind of have to talk to. So feel free. It's just great to talk with you.
All right, well, this is the end of a weekend here at Wright CNC. I did the class. I've actually got the software right here behind me. This is the 5x10 table. This is the 4x8 table, which we did a lot of cutting on in this class. This is a piece on the wall that they've done. That's a classroom. I took you guys over. We looked at their $500,000 laser cutter. They've got multiple warehouses. I can tell you as a consumer, my confidence is pretty high in the company. They got great people behind it. James is incredible instructor. incredible tech guy. Just knows the ins and outs, and he's always there to help their customers. So I would definitely say if you're interested in getting a table, I'd do the class. It was worth it. They fed us good, had a great time. We laughed a lot, we learned a lot, did a lot of really cool stuff. Looking forward to seeing your guys' reviews.
Bill Orndorff from Woodstock, Virginia.
I'm Zach Orndorff from Woodstock, Virginia. We've had a machine for about 5 months. Been running it good. Had a couple of troubleshooting issues, so we figured we'd come take the class and learn a little bit more, just maybe quick steps. And definitely very helpful. Definitely helpful. Very nice.
More in depth than what you can do on yourself. You need the class if you're getting the machine.
Yeah, if you're getting the machine, yeah, definitely take the classes. You can do little quick things that actually matter and help you save time and make you save money eventually. So,
That's right.
thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Okay, my name is Hal Holt, and I'm a high school science teacher from California. And my associate with me, we're both STEMs teachers, and we're bringing the CNC table to our school so that we can teach fabrication to our students.
My name is Al Allen, and I teach with Hal, high school technology. Same thing, we're looking forward to bring the CNC plasma cutter to our school, and then add another tool for the kids to learn.
Tell them about the class.
Oh, the class was awesome. James does a great job, gave us good hands-on. I feel like we got a good beginning of
Absolutely.
to do well with it.
Can't ask for a better set of instructions or a more concise way of getting to the heart of it. He's really good at what he does, and the equipment is just amazing. We're really jazzed about what we found here.
And thank you, Wright CNC, we enjoyed it.
All right, guys, how you doing?
Good.
Okay, so what are your names?
I'm Carlo. Christian. I'm Juan Quesada.
And where are you guys from?
I'm from Albuquerque.
From Albuquerque too, Des Moines.
And you guys went to the class here this weekend. What do you think about the class?
It's really good. We know exactly what is doing here, and we're gonna better business.
It's good. I like the class. You can learn something from it.
Was it worth taking?
Yeah, it's worth taking. Yes, it was.
I recommend it for people that want to know things.